Hello there, welcome Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I'm Bill the Drunken Sailor, and this is today's cocktail. It is so good. If you haven't been here before, this is the place where we make fun, delicious, and pretty good looking cocktails. We hope you join us, stick around, and we're going to show you how to make today's cocktail, and it is called the Seabreeze Spritz. So let's get pouring. We're going to start building this cocktail in a shaker glass. Our first ingredient in here is some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And for that, we're going to put 1 ounce in. We're going to follow that up with some Difford's Crème de Violette. It's very floral fragrant on there. We're going to use 1/2 ounce. Let's throw a little bit more blue in there. And we're going to use our homemade blue curacao. We'll leave a link up here so you can find out how to make your own. And for that, we're going to use 1/2 ounce. Got a wonderful blue color in there. Next thing going in there is vodka. And we're going to use Absolute vodka today. We're going to put in there 1.5 ounce. Of course, you can use any vodka that you do prefer. I got a really great blue color on this one. Now we need to put some ice in there, and we're going to chill this down. A couple of cubes. And we're going to give this a 10-second shake. That's going to be enough to mix up our flavors and get our cocktail nice and cold. Beautiful blue color. We're going into the final stretch. Now we need to take a flute, and now we're going to pour. Now, because this is going to be into a flute and really the clarity on the cocktail is important to us, we're going to do a double strain. We did put some fresh fruit juice in there, so we're going to be a little bit of pulp. So very carefully over the top, we are going to pour. Got one last ingredient to put in there because it is a spritz. Some prosecco. And today we're using Ruffino. This is one of our favorites. We're going to top that off. And there we have today's cocktail, the Seabreeze Spritz. You've got a very, very fragrant bouquet of violet flowers in there. It's nice, it's tasty on a hot spring summer day. It's going to be super refreshing. Cheers, everyone.